Find x. The natural logarithm of 8x multiplied by the logarithm base 7 of e squared equals 2 times the quantity, the logarithm base 7 of 8 plus the logarithm base 7 of x squared minus the logarithm base 7 of x. Let's solve this problem together. First, we'll use a formula to convert it into a logarithm. We apply this formula in our exercise next. For multiplication, the log of a product is the sum of the logs. Let's apply this idea again in our practice problem. Now, for subtraction, the log of a quotient is the difference of the logs. We use this concept once more in our exercise. Let's simplify everything as much as possible. By multiplying logically, we switch between numbers easily. We practice this formula in our exercise now. Next, calculate the log and use it in the solution. Now we have an equation to work with. Let's find the domain to help us solve it. And that's how we find the solution to the question.